Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use the backpack in Scratch. So the backpack is great for using a sprite, costume or script and basically taking it and using it in a different Scratch project. So the way you access it is by clicking on the bottom button here, which is backpack. You might not have seen it before. And you can see I've got a few things in here. And basically you can put anything in it. So you can put a sprite, a costume, a backdrop, a script, anything really. And then you can use it in a different project. So I want to, for example, use the Sprite 1 sprite in a different program. So I'm going to click on it and I'm going to drag it into my backpack. Now you can see it's over here at the front. And now you might have noticed that I've got another tab up here with another project. And if I press backpack, then you can see that we've got it here. And this will work with pretty much anything as long as it's compatible with Scratch. So that's how to use the backpack in Scratch. Thank you for watching.